it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am flipping through the Colorful Florals sticker book that is part of the spring release from the Happy Planner. It will be available on their website March 4th at 9 a.m. And I have not flipped through this. I've looked through the planners now, but I haven't looked through the sticker book, so I'm excited to check it out. Alrighty, stop and smell the flowers. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I think these florals, the color, the drawing, everything about them is just so pretty. So I'm excited to flip through this. All right, so we've got some nice gold foil detail. Some of these are like the dividers in the planner. Focus on, those are cool. Focus on gratitude, growing, loving, doing, giving. Nice little cute to-do flags. Oh, so then we've got the noted, and then it's got the really pretty line art, but colorful, like really colorful. And then it's got the darker area to write in, but you can still see a hint of the line art in there, like a reverse almost. Oh, these are good. Remember this? The pretty florals with some like almost like a watercolor line with really pretty lettering in it. Oh, these are so pretty. This black and white is really stunning. And I love that the box is not centered. Like you'll notice there's like, it's more on this side than this side. So it kind of gives it a very bold and modern look. This is new too. This is all clear sticker paper. Ooh, okay. So these boxes, again, are like layered boxes. And then this one is really fun because it's a circle, but it's got the floral in there, like on the edges already. So let's take a look. We're just gonna, oh, wow. Okay, so when you put that down, see if you can see it now. This will fit like within your box, but then the circle will go kind of larger, which is a lot of times how I layer anyways. So this is like, oh, that's really cool. Okay. And these are pretty clear. We've got the line art, the really pretty watercolor flowers, and that kind of magenta color. This again is a new shape with the little dots, kind of adds that modern flair. And this right here, this really pretty box with the floral kind of just swagging over the side and top. And I love that there's no title. So you can create your own, you can layer, you could use a circle. It could be anything you want it to be. I love that they left that option open. And these again, those are really pretty with like a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, a long hexagon, right? But that's really pretty in there with the flower detail around the edges. I just like how they put these together. Top priority and focus. These boxes are always come in handy. Ooh, a very important one. And this actually has like a copper foil on it. Rose gold, maybe. It's rose gold. And here we go with some rose gold. I could have just turned the page and found out rose gold clear stickers. And then we've got our just solid, these line art half circles are really fun for accents. Oh, and then we've got like color blocks. So it's got the image and then reverse all in one color block. Again, I think that's really modern and fresh. And then we've got color boxes with just very kind of almost monochromatic line art on there. Ooh, I love these too with the type all lowercase and then some boxes down the center. And these are really positive affirmations. I will rest. I'll try my best. I have faith. I have a dream. I can meet goals. I'm getting stronger. So all of these wonderful messages we need to tell ourselves. And then these are those boxes, but in clear. So those would be fun to play with and layer. More of the boxes, long in different colors. Some washi strips and flags. Some gold foil florals, line art. And this is more like kind of those long hexagons with flowers. More of the kind of boxes. These almost remind me of quote bubbles in a way, but they've got the focus, today's focus, top priority, remember this. So these are very useful and functional. And then we've got line art with bloom, grow happy in the bold colors. Ooh, more of the lettering with that kind of, reminds me of just like a swash of paint, like just like you took your brush and just went across. That's really pretty. And then these, which you could actually color because it's that white sticker paper. Ooh, and then now we've got the color block in those same fun patterns with the layered boxes. Floral boxes. Ooh, and we've got some numbers. I don't notice numbers as often as I notice letters, but wow, those are cool. And then we've got letters, really pretty. And oh, the colors kind of shifted to be more green on this one. And then some gold foil florals and quote at the end. I think that, oh, those are pretty. And then the line art. And again, this one is white, so you could probably color that in. Oh, that one's really fun. I want to say it's almost like a colorful florals boxes in a way. You could really mix this one with, I think, is it Happy Blooms? It has some of these florals in it. It would be really fun to kind of mix those together. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you hit that like, subscribe, and remind bell so you can see future videos from me. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.